here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots round my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round.
What's up? Check this place out, you guys. I am doing this full time now, so we decided Charlie Ventures needs a warehouse. Check it out. We've got space. We got space for cars. We got space for the race cars. We got space for the other cars so that we don't have to leave our cars outside and have them getting broken into. Let's go check this place out. Come on. Okay, so we got a spot here for some race cars. And then we've got a whole nother area for some more stuff. So just imagine all sorts of tires, because we have 50 sets of wheels and tires, right? Gonna have those there. We gotta build a little wall there around all the electrical stuff, which will be great. And this is the best. I've got a studio up there, but just imagine if I knock this wall out and I make this huge ramp into a foam pit, and then to get down, I just ride my bike into the foam pit. I mean, imagine, the possibilities are endless. Let's go check out upstairs. Okay, check this out. I think it's an auto light thing. Turn on lights. Okay, there's lights here. Oh, right there, hold on. Check it out. So it's like a little studio. So again, in the future, right here, this wall, take it out and put a ramp there. Okay, what is the mantra? Charlie Ventures mantra? Modify everything. So what's gonna be done in this place? We're gonna modify stuff. You guys, this is like MTV Cribs, but for car people. It's a fantasy factory of cars. This is the office, Charlie Ventures offices. Woo. And then come check out this stuff. La la la, whoa. Look at this area, look at it. It's so big, woo. Guys, we can put couches and we can put TVs and we can watch Formula One and we can talk about cars and we can work on cars and we can look at cars and we can drive cars and we can do all sorts of things. Look at this place. Now look over here. Are you coming? Come on. This way, come on. You're coming? Okay, look. How many adventure tools could we fit in this area? Guys, we could do lifts. We could stack cars on here. We could bring the bikes, the e-bikes, the mountain bikes. We could bring the crazy car. Oh my gosh, all the skateboards. We could just stack everything up right here. The snowboards, the snow bikes. Holy crap, we would have everything in one spot. Guys, look at all the garage doors. They're so tall. There's a little courtyard outside. Come on, come look at it. Look at it. Toto can have a home. Toto can have shelter, heat. There's so much planned. We're gonna do it. You guys are gonna be here with us to do it. Keep watching to see what we do. It's gonna be amazing.
That's why I keep my circle smaller than a Cheerio. Cause it's the company you keep. Stay woke, please don't get caught slick. End up sewing